Hi everybody, how are you guys? Hope you are doing great and having a wonderful new year. So far it's like almost the end of January though, so I'm not really sure how that happened, but I haven't been on for a long time, so it's good to see you all. When you jump on, if you watch this, just let me know that you watch this and tell me, interested in retinol, not interested in retinol, what is retinol? I use retinol. Okay, so we're talking a little bit about that. So it's the beginning of the year. A lot of people have habits that they're starting or new resolutions. I try not to get too crazy with that, but I try to implement some focuses, right? Like focus areas, like things I want to focus on. And so I'm kind of working through that. But many of you might have a skincare routine you're focused on. So I want to talk to you a little bit about a really cool add-on that you can either add to your existing Mary Kay skincare routine or whatever skincare routine you're doing. Just please have one that includes cleansing your face and moisturizing your face and using eye cream. There's really cool boosters that are coming that are part of the Clinical Solutions line, which is where retinol, our retinol product, fits in, which is this I don't know, bridge between like derma and like cosmetic. So that's why Mary Kay kind of picked it up. But a lot of individuals are going to their dermatologist, talking about retinol, talking about some of these other products that we're going to start offering. So we have an app called the Skin Analyzer app. And if you haven't used it, download it. It doesn't require any information. You can just download it. You don't have to register. And you take a picture of your face. And then it kind of goes through all of like where you fit on the spectrum of like your skin tone and wrinkles and eyes, and then suggests products. Admittedly, it suggests like every product. So if you get to the app, you do it, send me the products, we can talk about what would be realistic. It does like suggest every one of them in a lot of ways for that particular skin issue. And they are all good in various capabilities. But if you do that, tell me, we can kind of figure out like what your real priorities are. At any rate, I do this every now and then because I've posted kind of before and after pictures. So I was doing it and I think the tone was like too far to the other end and like the wrinkles were too far over. I was like, you know what I need to really start implementing again is my Retinol Clinical Solutions product. To be totally honest, I do all the other things, but this is sort of the bottom of my bathroom drawer and I don't always remember to do it like at least a few times a week. Sometimes I do it like once a week, like continuously, but I need to be implementing it more because my wrinkles, like I said, were too far on the other end. So anyways, I just got out of the shower, so I am joining you where I'm at. Nothing too fancy. I have no makeup on, in case you didn't figure that out. And I'm just going to talk a little bit about the retinol product. So I've cleansed my skin. They tell you to wait 5 to 10 minutes just for your skin to kind of calm down. Then you put on your eye lotion first. I've amped it up to the Time-Wise Repair, but if you were in my situation, in my age group, you probably would be fine with the Time-Wise 3D. But I've talked about this. So when you put on when you put on eye cream, you want to avoid like anything higher than your brow bone. And actually the skin that starts sagging first is the skin that I put the lotion on top. So I've just made it a habit to put lotion there. Like the skin above your eyebrow, or under your eyebrow above your eye. So just you use your ring finger because it's the lightest one, less pressure. You don't want to help gravity. Gravity's got its own thing going. You didn't want to aid in that, right? So you put your eye lotion on first. And they say to do this, I think, because people don't always wash their hands after they use retinol, and you would irritate your eyes if you didn't wash your hands after retinol and you used eye lotion. So here's I put that on. And retinol, it's a 0.5% retinol. So many of my clients are using this if they already get retinol from their dermatologist, if they have acne prone skin, if many of you used Retin-A when you were younger. The active ingredient in Retin-A is retinol. So if you have acne prone skin, even as an adult, I do. If you have any blemish scars from acne or sort of anything else, retinol will help with that. It'll help with fine lines and wrinkles. It'll reverse those as well. So if you start using it, it'll reverse it. It'll help with the collagen and elastin. So you start losing collagen in your skin when you're 18. So if any of you are over the age of 18, retinol is good for you. It also boosts skin's elasticity, so makes your skin appear younger. It'll also help rejuvenate and bring to your surface younger looking skin and newer skin, which is why you have to be careful. Your skin can be photosensitive, so if you go outside, you need SPF. You also would, if you haven't used retinol before, you should go through a retinization process, which our product is super nice. It walks you through what days on what weeks, so you're not like over retinoling. That's not a word. Your skin. If you use retinol though with other products, you don't have to worry about doing that. It's just such a good, and it's pure retinol, so it's just a really good product. So it's really just supporting your cell growth and your cell rejuvenation. So you just have to put like a pea-sized amount. So this is the actual retinol, and this lasts a pretty long time. And you just kind of make sure it's evenly spread. You want to be careful to avoid, like, sometimes when I put lotion on, I kind of rub it over, like, so avoid this area. I made the mistake when I first started with like spreading it everywhere, and I was like, why is my nose, like under my nose was like super dry, and I couldn't figure out why. That was why. And avoid the eye area, of course. And it just rubs in super nice, like a nice moisturizer. And that's pretty much it. And again, I've been through the retinization process about a year ago, and even though I don't use this every day, you don't need to go through that process again. And then as part of this set, and you can buy separately, is this really nice like calming and restoring facial milk. So it has a lot of really natural oils and some products, or some natural ingredients that have like fatty acids to just make your skin really like feeling, it's calm and smoothing. It's a great moisturizer too, so you can buy it on your own. It's pretty thin, so it's not like thick or greasy or anything. And you just put it on afterwards to just calm your skin after the retinol, and it feels really, really nice. And then you wash your hands. So always wash your hands, because it is, you know, you want to make sure that you avoid, just wash your hands. So if you touch your eyes, it's not going to irritate it. And then probably give it, I usually before then I go to bed, I just pop on the moisturizer, my nightly moisturizer, and I'm done. And I'm going to dry my hair. And that's my night. So reach out with any questions. And yeah, if you have any questions about retinol, I know a lot of people are interested to try it, but they're a little bit intimidated by it. But our step-by-step process makes it super simple. So just comment that you watch this. We'll talk soon. Have a good night. Bye.